You're welcome to the Nati Guide. In today's video, I'll be talking about the number one GitHub repository to learn any programming course for free. And this is how the GitHub repository looks like. The courses have been arranged in alphabetical order, so you can go through and select the one that you would like to study. There are some popular courses over here. We have artificial intelligence, Bash, C, C++, cloud computing, data science, databases, DevOps, Flutter, game development, and others that would interest you. I would advise that you take your time and go through some of these courses. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share as well.